Alright everybody, let's see how you did. So the question asks you to calculate how many moles of iron 3 oxide are required to make 10.0 grams of carbon dioxide. Let's pull out the important information that you need to actually do this conversion. So your starting point is going to be the 10.0 grams of carbon dioxide. And what you're trying to solve for is moles of iron 3 oxide. Okay? So the very first thing we have to do is we need to figure out what our molar mass is going to be of carbon dioxide. When you go through and you figure it out, you're going to find that you have a molar mass of 44.01 grams per mole. Remember, that's for every 1 mole. So we're going to plug that into our T-chart. So in order to figure out what needs to go on bottom, we need grams to be up on bottom, or to end up on bottom, to say, because I need it to cancel out. So when I look at my molar mass, the 44.01 grams is going to end up on bottom. And then that 1 mole is going to be up on top. So my grams of carbon dioxide will cancel out, leaving me with moles of carbon dioxide. Now that I'm in moles, I can now convert from one compound to the other compound using my mole ratio. So when I do that, I'm going to look at my coefficients in my balanced equation. So I need moles of carbon dioxide to end up on bottom. So if I look at carbon dioxide, I have 3 moles. So 3 moles of carbon dioxide. And I need to end up with moles of iron 3 oxide on top. So I'm going to look at my balanced equation and see that I haven't understood one coefficient out in front of it. So I'm going to have 1 mole of iron 3 oxide up on top. So my moles of carbon dioxide cancel out. I've reached my destination. Pretty easy peasy. So all I have to do here is go forward and just do the math. When I go forward and I do the math, what you're going to end up with is 0.07574 moles of iron 3 oxide. But as always, we're not done yet because what? We have to supply our answers with significant digits. So let's go back to our starting point. We have 1, 2, 3 significant digits in our starting point. So we're going to come down here to our answer. Remember, these 2 zeros are not going to be significant because they come before a non-zero. Doesn't matter that the decimal's there, they still come before a non-zero. So they come before the 7. So we're going to start counting our significant digits at the 7. So we have 1, 2, 3. We're going to round this 7 based off the number behind it, which is a 4. So we actually don't have to round it at all. So what my answer is going to end up being is 0.0757 moles of iron 3 oxide. Not too bad, is it? Alright, so at this point, what I would like for you to do is there's going to be another Moodle assignment for you to practice with. Now with this one, there will be 6 problems. You're going to have 3 problems going from moles to grams, and then 3 problems going from grams to moles. I want to make sure you feel very comfortable with this material, because in our next video, what we're going to do is we're going to merge these 2 together. And then we're going to learn how to go from grams to grams. So it's very important that you understand everything we've done up to this point. If you feel like you're still having difficulties with this, please let me know as soon as we get in class tomorrow, because I want to make sure you feel very comfortable with this before we proceed. Good luck!